put the seat on it?
I'm going to put it on, yeah.
Okay.
It looks nice, the seat. Meaning when you take a picture, right? Of course. It's all for show.
So the Allison was a V12. It was also in the PT boat.
We've got a V12 already. I need a V16 next. Okay, you can just look around when it runs. So that any oil leaks, let me know. Big one, small one we can tolerate. Ignition, fuel pressure. Yep, got fuel pressure. You just give it a little blip, that's it. Okay, let's put on glasses so we can see oil pressure.
That. Be careful, the oil lines are almost dragging. Awesome, Mike. I don't like that sound though.
I hear two sounds.
Yep. Like a clutch sound and then a click, 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 click,
You
click.
identified, you thought sounded like exhaust leak.
Yeah, but
It sounds a lot like exhaust leak. It may not be.
All the paint is burning off the exhaust.
Sure.
Everywhere I touch my hand is burning, but no oil leaks, huh?
So I hear a couple of noises.
Yeah, okay, tell me.
So I hear one that's definitely a Honda clutch rattle.
Ah, it is, eh?
Oh yeah.
I know, when you put it in, half of it goes away.
That's a regular 79 clutch rattle.
Okay.
The other noise I
Yes.
hear is what George identified.
Yes.
Notice it sounded like an exhaust leak. You decided it wasn't.
Well, no. You know, when George says something, I said, no, I don't think so. But it doesn't mean I know.
I still don't think it's.
It sounds like a rattle to me. But the rattle is a clutch
There's
rattle?
a clutch rattle in there for sure.
Okay, good man.
Absolutely normal,
Yes.
79 clutch.
Okay, and after that they fixed it.
Well, yeah, so
yours,
they changed
what
it.
years? You got a 79 you just bought?
Yeah, but I haven't run it enough. But they all have it.
They do have it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Do the ones with the springs take it away, the new later ones?
The later ones, it gets better, not gone, but much better.
Okay.
Much quieter.
Because when they first came out, that was the biggest problem. They even asked me to come and look. I thought, why ask me? You know.
So, yeah, it's every 79 I've had, and I've
As
had
a clutch rattle. But is the other noise, the louder noise, the clutch rattle, or the other noise? You think?
I think the louder noise is the other noise.
Okay. But it sounds like a chain, doesn't it, to you? Or
So
not?
I hear what could be the chain on the clutch. Like,
oh, but there's no chain on the clutch.
well, so up from the crankshaft.
Yes, that's it.
To
that
the
chain,
other
the primary
shaft.
chain, yeah.
Yeah.
But why should it rattle? I mean, it's touching something then. Maybe